Is Setmore secure? It's a question that echoes in the minds of anyone considering an online appointment scheduling platform. In an era where data breaches are unfortunately commonplace, and privacy concerns are at an all-time high, entrusting your business and client information to a third-party service is a decision that demands careful consideration. We're talking about sensitive client details, appointment histories, perhaps even payment information, all invaluable data that needs robust protection. So, how does Setmore stack up in the security arena? Can you truly rely on it to safeguard your valuable data? Today, we're diving deep into Setmore's security measures, exploring their commitment to data privacy, and giving you the full picture so you can make an informed decision for your business. Let's start by understanding why security is paramount for an online booking system. For many businesses, particularly those in healthcare, legal, or finance, the information they handle is not just important, it's regulated. Compliance with standards like HIPAA in the healthcare sector or GDPR in Europe isn't just good practice. It's a legal obligation with severe penalties for non-compliance. Even for businesses not under such strict regulations, maintaining client trust is fundamental. A single security incident can erode years of reputation building. Setmore understands this critical need for security, and they've implemented several layers of protection to keep your data safe. One of the foundational elements is data encryption. When your data travels between your device and Setmore servers, it's encrypted using Secure Socket Layer, or SSL, technology. Think of SSL as a secure tunnel that scrambles your information, making it unreadable to anyone who might try to intercept it. This is standard practice for secure online transactions and communications, but it's essential. Beyond data in transit, Setmore also focuses on data at rest. Your appointment data, customer details, and business information are stored on secure servers behind a firewall. This acts as a digital barrier, preventing unauthorized access to their systems. While no system can guarantee 100% immunity from all forms of attack, these measures significantly reduce the risk. Now, let's talk about a crucial aspect for many businesses: compliance. Setmore has made significant strides in offering specific solutions for industries with heightened security requirements. For healthcare providers, for instance, they offer Setmore Health. This isn't just a fancy name. It's a dedicated offering designed to help healthcare businesses meet HIPAA compliance requirements. With Setmore Health, you get enhanced security for patient data, including built-in encryption and added authentication layers. They even provide a business associate agreement, or BAA, as part of the account setup, which is a key component of HIPAA compliance. This BAA outlines how patient data is handled and protected. It's important to remember that while Setmore Health provides the tools for HIPAA compliance, the ultimate responsibility for ensuring full compliance across all business operations still rests with the healthcare provider. For businesses operating in the European Union or dealing with EU citizens' data, GDPR compliance is a major consideration. Setmore is committed to supporting GDPR principles. Their privacy policy clearly explains how they use personal data, and they provide tools to help users meet GDPR obligations. This includes the ability to display your own terms and conditions, customize email signatures to include privacy policy links, and granular control over client notifications. Users also have the right to request deletion of their personal data held by Setmore, and Setmore commits to fulfilling such requests within 30 days. They also offer a data processing addendum, DPA, for EU users who fall under GDPR purview. Beyond these specific compliance frameworks, Setmore's general privacy policy emphasizes their commitment to the privacy and confidentiality of user information. They state that they follow generally accepted industry standards to protect personally identifiable information. They also detail what types of data they collect and how it's used, assuring users that they don't share your information with third-party advertisers. Setmore also implements practical features that contribute to overall security. For example, the ability to manage staff logins means you can control who on your team has access to what information. This role-based access can be crucial in limiting potential internal security risks. Automated confirmations and reminders, while primarily a convenience feature, also reduce the need for manual communication, which can sometimes introduce human error or vulnerabilities. It's also worth noting that Setmore regularly updates its terms of use and privacy policy to reflect changes in data protection laws and best practices. They actively communicate these updates to their users, demonstrating a commitment to transparency and ongoing improvement. However, it's equally important to understand the shared responsibility in online security. While Setmore provides the secure platform, you, as the user, also play a vital role. This includes using strong, unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication if available, being cautious about phishing attempts, and ensuring your own devices and networks are secure. Setmore provides the lock, but you need to make sure you're using a strong key and keeping your house in order. In summary, when asking, is Setmore secure? The answer is a resounding yes, within the bounds of current industry best practices. They employ encryption, secure data storage, offer dedicated solutions for compliance frameworks like HIPAA and GDPR, and maintain a clear privacy policy. Their features and ongoing commitment to updates demonstrate a strong focus on protecting user data. While no online platform can offer 100% invulnerability, Setmore has clearly invested in robust security measures to safeguard your business and client information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.